Morning students, welcome to English class. Previous class we have discussed about the voices, that is active voice and passive voice. Present tense we have completed it in the last class. All that is present continuous, present perfect and present tense. Complete present tense has been finished in the previous class. Okay. Now let us move towards to the past tense. Okay. I hope that you have understood the complete present tense. Why I am telling you according to the tense means it's very easy to understand. If I told you commonly means you won't get understood. So it's very easy for 8th, for 9th class. For 8th it is very good because still 2 years are there to practice for you people. For 9th also and for 10th also. I hope that you have understood complete present tense of the active voice and passive voice. When they have given the example, first you have to identify which tense it is. Whether it is a question, whether it is present tense, past tense, or still we have to learn past tense and future tense. So first you have to identify the tense form. Afterwards only it's very easy to make into a passive voice. बहुत ही easy होता है आपको बाद में passive voice में convert करने के लिए. I hope that तो आप सभी को थोड़ा तो समझ में आए active voice और passive voice के बारे में, present tense के बारे में ही बताएं हम अब तक. So let us come to the past tense. First, let us discuss about the in every tense, affirmative is there, negative is there, interrogative is there. So here past tense. Keep in your mind that we are discussing about the active voice and passive voice of the past tense. Subject plus main verb to plus object. Just let us go back, that is what we have discussed in the present tense. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, present रहने दो, past रहने दो, future रहने दो. Only helping verbs change हो रहा है वहाँ पे. तो all the formulas are same. No need to take tension. मैडम कितना तो formula बता रहे, कितना याद रखना हम. तो बोर्ड के पूरे तो formulation. No. If you know the concept clear, इतना फार्मूला पूरे क्यों बता रहे हो? Always the concept should be clear. कैसा भी एग्जाम्पल्स हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं अगर हमको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है तो हमको कॉन्सेप्ट ही क्लियर नहीं है. अब हम क्या पास्ट प्रेजेंट टेंस का एग्जाम्पल्स बोल रहे हैं, क्या पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस का एग्जाम्पल बोल रहे हैं, ये अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है या नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है या इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है, हमको वही आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए नहीं आ रहा तो then how we can make into a passive voice. So the concept should be clear in a grammar. Lesson थोड़ा बहुत clear नहीं हुआ तो भी चलता, because you can read it once, twice, thrice. तो तुम्हारे हाथ में रहता तुम पढ़ के उसको समझ सकते हो. But grammar is not like that. If you understood the concept once, एक बार आप concept clear होने के बाद it is there for first PU, second PU, जब तक आप इंग्लिश पढ़ते तब तक आपके साथ ही रहता है ग्रामर. That is the reason the concept should be clear for the grammar. Is it clear? So next come to the past tense, that is same, that is no changes, only what we are going to change here, the helping verbs they are going to change, that is affirmative sentence same. You remember the formula of the present tense. What is the difference? You can see that what is the difference between present and past formulas. So the subject plus वहाँ पे क्या रहता है present tense में main verb one रहता, then object, that is same formula is there, anything change is there, subject plus object plus main verb. Okay. Then how it is going to be changed in a passive voice? तो हमारे फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से अभी तो 3-4 क्लास पढ़े हैं. First one is it is object. Here in the present tense what we are going to use here, the helping verbs, that is is, am, are. Is, am and are. When we are discussing about the past tense, the helping verbs are was and were. Next, main verb 3 is our ID card. That is wise, VIP. In any text, if we are discussing means main verb 3 is not going to be changed here. Then next, by is our same formula. Then last one is our subject. Any changes is there in the present tense and past tense? Only the changes are the helping verbs. Here in the present tense, you can see the formula of the present tense also and in the past tense also. Nothing changes there. Don't be confused. Only there in the present tense, here is, are is used, and the same formula is there. In the past tense, when we are going to discuss in the past tense, it is going to be changed as was and were. तो इतना बहुत फॉर्मूला है, कैसा याद रखना? No, no, no. Nothing difference is there in the present tense and past tense. Let us go to the negative. Negative में क्या changes रहता है? Only not is additional. Present tense में भी देखें हम, negative में क्या रहता है? Not एक ही additional रहता है वहाँ पे. So subject same, then did plus not plus main verb 1 plus object. This is active voice. So how it is going to be changed in the passage? Same object plus was and were. You can see check the formula of the present tense. यहाँ पे is am are use करें. So when we come to the past tense, was and were is used. Then next not. ये एक ही additional है हमारे passages. Not is there and main verb 3 ये तो when we are discussing the passages, this is definite main verb 3 and by is the same formula and subject is also same formula. Any change is there here rather than the helping verbs? Helping verbs छोड़ के कुछ तो change है यहाँ पे? No, nothing changes there. आपको कुछ तो difference दिख रहा है present tense और past tense में? Yes, there is a difference of the helping verbs, that is am, are के जगह में हम क्या use करें? Was and were use करें. Okay. This is the negative sentence. What about interrogative sentence? हमारे questionnaire sentence, probably they have the questions. Most बहुत टाइम interrogative sentence ही पूछे एग्जाम में, बोर्ड एग्जाम. So the question starts with did plus subject plus main verb 1. यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब 1 रहने दो, मेन वर्ब 2 रहने दो, मेन वर्ब 3 रहने दो. डोंट बॉदर अबाउट दैट. हमारे पैसेज में क्या चेंज हो रहा? मेन वर्ब 3 हो रहा. 2 रहे तो भी 3 होता, 1 रहे तो भी 3 होता. डोंट टेक टेंस अबाउट दिस. मेन वर्ब यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब 1 यूज करें. हम पैसेज में मेन वर्ब 3 यूज करना है कि 2 यूज करना? डोंट कंफ्यूज. That is VIP card is of the main verb 3. Y is हमारे passive. That is of the main verb 3. Main verb 3 आता. Active voice में main verb 1 रहने दो, main verb 2 रहने दो, main verb 3 रहने दो. It may be 1, 2, 3. Don't take tension. हमारे passive voice में 3 ही आता. Is it clear? So interrogative, that is did plus subject plus main verb 1 है यहाँ पे. Then object same formula. So what it is going to be changed? वहाँ पे is am, are आता था present tense में. So the sentence starts with the interrogative sentence starts with the helping verb, that is was and were plus object plus main verb 3. ये तो कभी भी change हो रहा ही नहीं, तो इसके बारे में सोचना भी नहीं ज़्यादा. Main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Same formula is there. Okay. In these three, any doubt? Same it is. You can open the formulas of the present tense. Nothing changes there rather than the helping verbs. वहाँ पे कुछ भी change ही नहीं है. थोड़ा बहुत helping verbs का change रहता है. So helping verbs must be changed in the tense. is am, are के बदले में यहाँ पे क्या use करें? was and were use करें. तो कुछ तो difficult है हमारे present tense को past tense का? No, nothing difficult is there. Difficult लिए तो difficult समझे तो difficult लगता. उसको easy तरह से पढ़े तो easy तरह सोचे तो then it will become very easy. So So nothing changes there, only was and were, is the mark की जगह पे was and were use करें. Okay, let's go for the examples. Now you are going to solve the examples. मेरे से पहले start करना. This has been repeated 2 times. India won the match. How you are going to change? India won the match. इसको passive voice में कैसा change करें? Okay, we can do India won the match. So our object क्या है यहाँ पे? The match. The match is our object. So object comes first. The match. After the object, helping verbs, that is India won the match. बहुत सारे countries है क्या? Only one country is there. So we have to use was. The match was. उनका विपरीत क्या है? Same, that is the match was won. Then हमारे फॉर्मूला क्या है? By विपरीत के बाद by the match was won by India. Okay, is it clear? आप सभी ने भी ऐसा ही करें. अगर ऐसा ही करें तो right. तो यहाँ पे कुछ तो और ऐड करें तो that is wrong. तो अब तक आपको समझ में नहीं आया बोल के समझ लेना. Okay. So next go for the next examples. Did you give him the book? First tell me which sentence it is. Negative sentence. Is it clear? Question mark है तो sorry interrogative sentence. Question mark है तो समझ लेना कि ये क्या है? Interrogative sentence है. Okay. Did you give him the book? Active voice में. तो हमारे passive voice में क्या आ रहा है first यहाँ पे? Was and were. सीधा फॉर्मूला was and were के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट. तो did you give him the book? हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है यहाँ पे? The book is our object. Okay. Was and were के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस main verb 3. verb क्या है हमारा? give प्लस by प्लस सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट कौन है यहाँ पे? you is the subject. you कुछ तो चेंज हो रहा है हमारे प्रोनाउन में? No, you is not going to be changed. Okay, अब हम करेंगे इसको. Example book को passive voice में ready. Did you give him the book? What we have to use first? Helping verbs. That is was and were. So now the question is, you are going to use was or were? One more question. Was कहाँ पे use करते हैं और were कहाँ पे use करते हैं? I know that you all know that one. Was is used in a singular. First were is used in a plural. अगर वहाँ पे एक ही है तो was use करना. More than one were is to be used. Okay. Was you क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Was he given the book by is our formula. was and were के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट आना. ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद मेन वर्ब, उसके बाद by प्लस सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज was he given the book by. Who is our subject? You is our subject. Was he given the book by you? Okay. Next, go for next example. He did not call you. Did not. If not is there in the sentence means we have to think that the sentence is negative. Sentence कौन सा है बोल के समझ लेना. That is negative sentence. Negative sentence में first क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे? Object. Object के बाद was and were के बाद not. After that main verb 3, that is by plus subject. He did not call you. So how it is going to be changed? He did not call you. You were not called. You were not called by, you were not called by him. He did not call you. You were not called by him. Is it right? Anybody has made like this only means is it, your example is right. Next, Ramesh plucked the flowers. This is homework. You have to do this. Ramesh plucked the flowers. The flowers is our object. The flowers, plucked the flowers. The flowers was आता कि वर आता? Just think करो. Plucked. Already V3 form is there by Ramesh. The flowers were plucked by Ramesh. The flowers were plucked by Ramesh. Is it clear? Write it your own. I am not going to write this example here. Write in your notebook. The flowers were plucked by Ramesh. Okay, is it clear? Clear about the affirmative sentence of the past tense? Nothing changes is the affirmative of the present tense. जैसा present tense को हमने बनाए थे वैसा ही सेम है past tense का भी. Changes क्या है? Helping verbs का changes है. Was is the mark की जगह पे हम क्या use कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Was and were is going to be used. Okay. I hope it is clear for you. Next go for the past continuous tense. थोड़ा present continuous का याद करो. What we have discussed in the present continuous? Subject plus is the mark plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object. कुछ तो change है यहाँ पे. Change बिल्कुल change का कौन सा change है? Was and were. Is the mark की जगह में was and were is. तो difficult है इसमें तो कुछ तो difficult है. No, nothing is difference is there. I know difficulty is there. अब passive voice में क्या change हो रहा है वहाँ पे? You relate the formulas of present and present continuous and past continuous. कुछ भी change नहीं है यहाँ पे. is the mark की जगह में हम was and were use करें. Object first. ये तो हमारा formula ही है. उसके बाद was and were. उसके बाद being done. That is being के बाद आता क्या? Verb 3 plus by plus subject. इसमें थोड़ा तो difficult है? No. We have already learned this one in the present tense. Next negative sentence में क्या आता? Negative सुनने के बाद एक word याद आना not. Object directly I have made here passive voice. Object plus was were plus not plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. इसका active voice कैसा रहता? Subject plus was were plus not plus ing form plus main verb 1 then by plus object. तो subject यहाँ आता है active voice. So I have made it why it should be repeated. हम आगे भी जाने का है ना. तो same that is I have converted directly into the passive voice. पहला object आता, उसके बाद was and were आता, उसके बाद not, after that being, then main verb 3 plus by plus subject. कुछ difficult है इसमें? No, nothing difficult is there. Affirmative sentence, negative sentence, then interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence तो दिमाग में आ जाता है टक बोल के questionnaire sentence. तो questionnaire sentence में first was and were, the helping verbs are used. Then after that object plus being because we are discussing the past continuous plus main verb 3. Then after that by plus subject is our as usual formula. That is was and were plus object plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay, next we will discuss about some of the examples of the past continuous. Let us see some of the examples of the past continuous tense. First try yourself. First example, active voice. Mr. Ravi was teaching English. Mr. Ravi was teaching English. Before me, you try to solve this example. What it is going to be changed? Which is our object here? English is our object. Mr. Ravi is the subject. Teaching is verb. First, what should be written? Object object plus was verb plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay, first that is object English. उसके बाद was English was. After that, what is the formula? Just go through the formula. After was and were, being is used. English was being. Listen carefully, otherwise you won't understood. Being के बाद main verb 3. Teaching, what it is going to be changed? Taught. English was being taught. After verb 3 by plus subject. Taught by कौन पढ़ा है यहाँ पे? सब्जेक्ट कौन है? Taught by Mr. Ravi. Okay, who have done like this? All the that is right. Next, go for the next example. You were driving a car. You were driving a car. Which is our object here? A car is our object. Okay. A car was being. Why we should add being? Because we are discussing about the past continuous. A car was being. Driving में क्या होता? A car was being driven. उसके बाद by. Subject कौन है वहाँ पे? You were driving a car. Subject was you. Sorry, a car was being driven by him. A car was being driven by him. उसने कार चलाई. So this is about the examples of past continuous. Don't take stress. Nothing is there. यहाँ पे देखो present tense का और past tense का कुछ difference है यहाँ पे. Was and were is the main difference here. तो V3 तो हमारा same रहता. V3 present tense में भी V3 ही रहता. Past tense में भी V3 ही रहता. and future tense में भी V3 ही रहता. Okay. Next, go for the past perfect tense. Just remind the formula of present perfect tense. What we have used there? Have and has. So यहाँ पे past में we are going to use had. Was, has and have and has is used in the present tense. Same formula. Instead of has and have, here we are going to use have. Has and have की जगह पे past perfect में क्या आता? Had आता. Had आता बोल के सभी पता है. तो let us see. Subject plus had plus main verb 3 plus object. Same है present tense का भी formula निकाल के देखो. Same formula है. ये had के जगह पे has and have आएगा. Then how it is going to be changed? First object, उसके बाद had been. वहाँ पे भी just remind has is changed to the has been, have is changed to the have been. Has रहे तो passive voice में क्या हो रहा? Has been हो रहा. Had रहे तो had been हो रहा. तो यहाँ पे had is going to be changed as had been. Plus main verb 3 ये जो हमारा ID कार्ड है इसको बदल नहीं सकते हैं. Plus by plus subject. Negative में first object had not been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. ये तो same रहा. अच्छा ठीक है. इंट्रोगेटिव में क्या रहता है? वहाँ पे have और has से start हो रहा और यहाँ पे had से start हो रहा. Plus object plus been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Any doubt in this? Past perfect same as it is present perfect. There in the present perfect we have used the helping verbs has and have. Instead of has and have in the past perfect we are using the had been. Had का had been होता. Only one is going to be used here. Had. वहाँ पे has and have use करते थे singular और plural. But here only had is used. Any doubt in this? Yes, no doubt, because that we have all learnt in the previous class. Directly we go for the, if there is no doubt, you can solve these examples. अगर आपको doubt नहीं है तो examples solve कर सकते हैं. He had sung a song. He had sung a song. तो first क्या आना हमारा object आना. Object क्या है? A song. A song had been. After that, a song had been. Sung का क्या हो जा रहा है? What it is going to be changed? No change. Sung, that is already V3 is there. A song had been sung by. He का क्या हो रहा? A song had been sung by him. Okay, right? Did you try it, all of you? A song had been sung by ही का him. इन्हीं कुछ तो difficult हुआ change करने में. Any difficulty you faced here to solve these examples? No, because so many examples we have solved in the previous class. Okay, try this one also. Rakesh had sent the message. Which is our object here? The message. Next subject is Rakesh had sent the message. Okay. The message had been sent by Rakesh. The message had been sent by Rakesh. Okay. The message plus had been. Had के बाद क्या आना? Had been sent. Sent same. V3 में भी sent ही रहता. The message had been sent by Rakesh. Okay. Next, let us try the next example. He had taught us English. He had taught us English. He had taught us English. English कौन पढ़ाया हमको? He. We don't know the name. English is the object here. So English had been taught. English had been taught by him. English had been taught by him. Okay. English had been taught. Same. No change. Already V3 is given here. Given there. English had been taught by. According to our formula, he changes to him. Okay. यहाँ पे us है. us का दिमाग में मत रखो. English had been changed according to our formula. English had been taught by him. Okay, this one. Rakesh had sent the message. All of you done this example? The message. Let us try. The message had been sent. Any change? No. As it is. The message has been sent by Rakesh. Who is the subject here? Rakesh is our subject. The message has been sent by Rakesh. Okay. Is it clear? I hope the past perfect tense is also clear for you. In the next class, we will discuss about that is future tense. Past tense we have completed, past continuous we have completed, past perfect tense also completed. Past perfect continuous, there is no examples of past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous का भी था? No. Present perfect continuous also, there is no examples. There is no passive voice. Like that, past perfect continuous also, there is no examples of the passive voice or active voice. In the next class, we will discuss about the future tense. Thank you.